What's the meaning of biochemistry? Biochemistry. Biochemistry.
Biochemistry. Biochemistry. Biochemistry is the scientific study of the chemical processes and substances that occur within living organisms. It combines the principles of chemistry and biology to understand how biological molecules like proteins, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids interact with each other and the environment. Biochemists examine the structure and function of these molecules at the cellular and molecular levels, as well as their roles in metabolism, energy production, and disease. Understanding biochemistry is essential for advancements in medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology, as it provides insight into the fundamental processes that drive life on Earth. Overall, biochemistry serves as a foundation for comprehending the complexity and diversity of life.